This is a family house plan. I would like to copy this 3-panel window in the bedroom to this location in the stair in the horizontal orientation, as well as to this location in the bedroom in the vertical orientation. To do this task, I'm going to make use of a smart feature in BricsCAD. Instead of using copy command, I'm going to use copy guided tool. So I'll click on copy guided. Now I am asked to pick the first corner of the rectangular window. I'll pick the first corner here and the opposite corner here. Now you can see that the wall lines are shown in blue color. These lines will act as guide curves for the copy guided command. And these curves will let you align this object at any desired location while taking a copy. Let's see that. I'll just pick to define the opposite corner point here. Now you can see 2 arrow marks in both sides. The blue arrows indicate the anchor points and direction of guide curves. The copied entities will only align with the geometry that matches with the number of guide curves and distance between them. For example, if I locate it here, it won't get aligned. Onto this wall, if I try to locate the window, it won't get aligned because the distance between the guide curve is not matching. But once I take it to this location, you can see that the window will get perfectly aligned. Now you can either pick to define the location, or you can give a distance at the dynamic entry fields. Now, when I move my mouse vertically up and down, the guide curves will get flipped. As a result, the selected entities will also get flipped. Now, if I make a pick, the entities will be copied in this orientation. So that's also a built-in feature of copy guided tool. I'll pick to define the location. I'll take the cursor onto this wall, and you can see that the window is getting perfectly aligned because the condition is satisfied. By moving the mouse leftward and rightward, I can flip the window as I've done before. Now I'll pick to define the location. Give enter. Now when you erase this window, you can see that the cleaning up action has already taken place. Even over here, the cleaning up action has taken place. Hence, copy guided tool is a replacement for copy, rotate, mirror, and trim commands in this context. In this command, you can switch over from entity selection to region selection using the hotkey assistant. Before you do that, make sure that the HKA button is active in the status bar. So I'll click to activate the hotkey assistant button. In this drawing, I have added a planter bed, and I have the pattern of the grass inside the planter bed. Now I'll click on copy guided command. Then I'll perform a selection using a rectangle. I'll pick to define the opposite corner point of the rectangle. Now you can see the hotkey assistant button over here. Copy entities option is active. By pressing the control key, you can switch over to copy region option. Now you can see the preview of your selection as well as all the entities within the region. Now I'll place it on this wall, and you can see that along with the window, the grass pattern is also copied because of the region selection mode. You can also flip it if required by moving the cursor vertically up and down. Now I'll give a pick to locate the copy over here. I'll take one more copy onto this vertical wall, but I need only the window, not the grass pattern. So I'll click on Control again to switch over to entity selection mode. Now I'll give a pick to locate the copy over here. Hence, by using hotkey assistant, you can switch over from entity to region selection in copy guided command. In this command, you can select the entities using the polygonal option. I'll click on polygonal. Now I'm asked to select the different corner points of a polygon. I've picked a number of corner points. Whichever entities captured within this polygon will get selected, and you will get the corresponding guide curves. I'll click on copy guided again, and this time I'll select this chair. Now you can see that there is only a single guide curve. Now I'll take the cursor over here, it'll get aligned with that line, and similarly it'll get aligned with this particular line, and wherever there is a straight line, it'll get aligned. I'll take the cursor onto this dining table and I'll keep it over here. I'll give a pick. I've got a copy of it here. And one more pick, one more copy, another copy I'll take. Now I'll move the mouse onto the curvular area of the dining table. It'll get even aligned on the curve. You can type a distance or else you can give a pick. Likewise, you can get the copies at any desired locations. Now I'll give an enter. Hence, even on curvular edges, the copy guided works perfectly well. This result cannot be accomplished using rectangular or polar arrays. So that's all about the copy guided tool. Next, I'll introduce you to the smart feature Moveguided. Moveguided automatically aligns the moved entities with the relevant geometry using temporary guide curves, and it also performs automatic repair. You can see Moveguided right below Copy Guided in a flyout. I'll click on Moveguided. I'll select the window using a rectangle. Now you can see blue arrows on both sides, which are guide curves. Blue arrows indicate the anchor points and direction of guide curves. The moved entities will only align with the geometry that matches with the number of guide curves and distance between them. By moving the mouse vertically up and down, I can flip the window as we have seen in the case of Copy Guided. Now I am asked to pick to place the entities. I'll place it right here and give a pick. You can also enter a distance if required. Now you can see that over here automatic repair has taken place and it is perfectly aligned on the wall. Now if I erase this window, the automatic cleanup has taken place as you have seen in the case of Copy Guided. Now I'll undo to get the window back. I'll click on Move Guided again. I'll select this window using a rectangle. This time I'll place it over here. Now when I take the window onto this area, you can see that it is perfectly aligned because the condition is satisfied. Now I'll make a pick here. You can see that over here automatic repair has taken place and the window is perfectly aligned on the walls and the necessary trimming is also done. In Moveguided, you can use polygonal selection and hotkey assistant as we have seen in the case of Copy Guided. Hence, Copy Guided and Moveguided in BricsCAD is far more advanced than the standard copy and move commands, using which you can save a lot of time and effort.